Agad hanggang kamatayan.
Asa ka din
Ayun guys, nag-ihaw-ihaw kami guys, pero ano na nangyari dyan guys? Nasunog na yung iniihaw namin. Ito talaga si bro, tingnan nyo yan. Yan, parang naglalaro lang yan. Parang wala lang. Automatic, oy. Aroy.
Bisaya.
Kana.
Kain tayo, Bisaya.
Hindi, nakain tayo. Mga unta.
Ano naman yung ginagawa? Yan. Nagkasarapan ng kumakain na kami.
Napos ang. Para kay bro na. Bro. Kaunta ninyo, mga unta, mga on.
Kain guys.
Kaon.
Kawawa naman yung kasama namin yun. Parang iniwanan ng nanay.
Mga on.
Ayun.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Guys, balik.
Watik oy. Nabasa na gyud. Nabasa na gyud siya.
I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. For you I will.
Allah ka.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you will.
Tas lagi na sundri suba guys ay. Naabot naman yung kinasundri suba guys. Guys, Serena guys, nice Serena guys, nice Serena, napoy ukoy. Kayo.
Don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. For you I will. I keep waiting for you to call.
Okay guys,
thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.